Hey everyone, today we're escaping to a hidden paradise in the Philippines. Often referred to as the Happy Island, it is a picturesque province located in the Bicol region of the Philippines. It's known for its stunning beaches, rugged landscapes, and friendly locals. A province that defies expectation with its raw beauty and unyielding spirit. This is Catanduanes. Catanduanes is a province that beautifully blends history, culture, and nature. It's a place where you can experience the laid-back charm of island life while enjoying the beauty of its landscapes. Exploring around Verac is a treat in itself. You'll see tricycles zipping around, locals going about their daily lives, and friendly smiles everywhere you turn. Verac is located on the southern tip of Catanduanes, and it's the perfect mix of laid-back island life and a touch of bustling energy. It's a really welcoming atmosphere. Everything's pretty accessible too, so getting around is a breeze. So today, join me as we explore a place that holds the history of Catanduanes past, the Museo de Catanduanes. This museum is located on the second floor of the old Capitol building, which is a pretty cool building in itself. It's a great place to start your Catanduanes adventure because it gives you so much context for everything you'll see on the island. The museum was established by the Provincial Tourism Office of Catanduanes to preserve and showcase the island's rich historical, cultural, and social heritage. It houses a diverse collection of artifacts, photographs, historical documents, and artwork that trace the island's evolution through the centuries. Some of the notable pieces in the museum include tools and weapons used by the early inhabitants, traditional clothing, and religious objects dating back to the Spanish colonial period. The museum features temporary exhibits that highlight various aspects of Catanduanes culture and history, such as traditional festivals, the abaca industry, and local heroes. This museum isn't just about artifacts. It's also about the people and their stories. The Museo de Catanduanes plays a vital role in the development of cultural tourism on the island. It serves as an ideal starting point for visitors who wish to explore the other historical sites in Catanduanes. Visiting the Museo de Catanduanes has given me a much deeper appreciation for this island and its people. It's so important to understand the past to truly appreciate the present. I highly recommend making this a stop on your Catanduanes itinerary. So that's a glimpse into the Museo de Catanduanes. I hope you enjoyed this little journey into the island's past.